Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Woodford County in central Illinois, northeastern Tazewell County in central Illinois, McLean County in central Illinois, until 10:30 a.m. At 9:31 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bradford to near Delavan, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Force, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near East Peoria, Morton, Washington, Metamora, Germantown Hills, Tremont, Mackinac, Oakville, and Spring Bay around 9:35 a.m. Eureka, Linear, Washburn, Greenfield, and Deer Creek around 9:40 a.m. Roanoke, Danvers, Stanford, and Carterville around 9:45 a.m. Carlock, Benson, and Center around 9:50 a.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Bloomington, Normal, El Paso, Minot, Hudson, Ridley, Towanda, Lexington, and Chenoa. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 between mile markers 18 and 31. Interstate 39 between mile marker 0 and 28. Interstate 474 near mile marker 14. Interstate 55 between mile markers 156 and 187.